Hello and a very good morning to my dear students. I am Hiteshi Mehta, your science educator. Today we are going to do revision of chapter 2, that is safety and first aid. Okay, but before starting the video, here we are going with the positive thought of the day. So our today's thought of the day is success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. So always be happy. Now let's start the chapter number 3, that is safety and first aid. So my dear kids, have you ever fallen or hurt yourself? Might everyone can fall sometime at some age, right? Have you ever cut yourself with a blade or a knife? Have anyone bumped against a car or a scooter on a road? That type of event can happen anytime, anywhere, and without any warning. These incidents are called accident. So, what is an accident? An unexpected event that might lead to you being hurt is called an accident. They can happen if you are careless. When you get hurt, it's painful. It's very painful. It takes time to get better. So always try not to come with an accident. As I told you earlier, accident can happen anywhere and anytime. You have to be careful to avoid accidents. You have to follow safety rules. So the safety rules are meant to be followed and at very first home. Let's see what we have to be careful at home. So we will see the safety at home. The first thing to be safe is do not leave your books and toys lying on the floor, as someone can fall off if that came into their leg. So please be careful about this. The next thing to be careful about at home is do not play with knives, blades and scissors, as knife, blades and scissors are sharp. They can cut you. Always use them in presence of an adult. Playing with matchstick is dangerous. Use them only in the presence of an adult. That means your parents or anyone elder than you. Always put out a matchstick before throwing it away. Always be careful with fireworks. They can explode and cause burns. Ask an adult to help you light fireworks. Electrical things are useful as they make our work easier. We all know that electrical things are very helpful, but if they are not used carefully, they can give electric shock. An electric shock can kill a person. It is very dangerous. Never play with plug points, open wires, or electrical things. Never try to taste anything you do not know about. Don't try without knowing anything, beta. So kids, now Uttarayan festival is coming, but do not fly kites or play on the terrace. You can fall off if you are not careful. Always fly kites in presence of an adult. Never go near the fire or hot oven. You can burn yourself. As medicines are good for our sick health, but never take medicines without adult supervision. We should take prescribed medicine by the doctor. Do not take any medicine without knowing it. Always be careful while going to the bathroom, As the floor is wet, you can slip off there. So always be careful on the wet floor. Now kids, we are moving on to our next topic, that is safety at school. That means what we have to follow while being at school. Safety at school is also important. Running up and down a staircase is dangerous. Do not push anyone on the stairs. Always form a line before you come down the staircase or you come up for the staircase. Always be in a line when using staircase in school. Classrooms are not for running and playing, it is for studying only. The corners of the desk are sharp and can hurt you badly. Climbing on the desk and playing inside the classroom can cause accident. You may hurt yourself. You can fall off or you can get wound. Do not run in the corridors because corridors are only for walking, not for running. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is safety on the playground. What we should be careful on the playground? Let's see it. While playing on the slide or the swing, wait for your turn. Do not push anyone. When you are on the slide, it can be dangerous. He or she may fall off and he or she can hurt himself. Okay, so do not push anyone at slide or at swing. As we all love to play, playing games is lot of fun, is always a fun, but there are rules to be followed in every game. If you do not follow the rules of the game, you can hurt others as well as yourself. Now we all know we should keep our safety on roads. It may be lead to an accident and that can cause a very dangerous effect on our body. Many accidents happen on the road. Be careful when you walk to school or home. Always walk on a footpath. Footpaths are safer ways for pedestrians, as pedestrians should walk on the footpath. If you have to cross the road, always use the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is black and white strips on the road. When you cycle on the road, keep to your left. Signal with your hand before your turn. Always. And when you ride a vehicle, always give a side light when you turn. Watch the traffic signal carefully. Now you know what the traffic light means. When the traffic light turns red, it means the car or the vehicle should stop. The orange lights means you should wait. And when the light turns green, you can go. You can ride your vehicle. So all the traffic light meaning something. You should know that. So my dear children, do you know that you can help by yourself when some minor injury is there? That is called an first aid. Before going to doctor, we can give first aid to the injured person. If someone gets hurt in an accident, that means in burn or something fall off like this, don't panic. Don't panic at all. Try to stay calm and help the injured person. So, the first help that an injured person gets is called a first aid. Now, if someone has fallen off or get scars on their body and wound is bleeding, wash it with clean water, wipe it with an antiseptic such as Dettol. If the bleeding does not stop, tie a bandage. Loss of too much blood is dangerous for the injured person. So, if there is so much of loss of blood, you should call a doctor. It will be helpful to an injured person. If someone gets burnt with matchstick or with firecrackers or electricity, so place the part of the body that is burnt under running cold water. So student, don't use any hot water or any hot something on the burnt. Always use cold water. Keep it there until it stop hurting. If there are blisters, do not try to burst. Cover the burn with a dry, clean handkerchief. After giving first aid to the injured person, ask an adult to call a doctor. Always take a doctor prescription before going to cured. If the person is hurt seriously, that means if he or she is fainted or something happen serious is caused, so immediately call an adult and ask for a doctor. Stop people from crowding around you. As we all know that this pandemic is very much dangerous, it can spread via sneeze and cold and cough. So if crowding is there, it can spread worldwide and it is very dangerous. If someone is nose bleeding, try to cover their head with the cold water so that nosebleed can be stopped. So this first aid can give uh, relief to that person. Also, in case of insect bite, you can give first aid. In minor burns, also you can give first aid. You can help the injured person yourself in case of minor. Only trained people should give first aid to seriously injured person. We should not. So my dear students, it was all about safety and first aid. Now our revision is completed. So please go through the revision sheet given to you in the homework and try to write the answer. All the best for the exam. Bye bye kids. Thank you for watching the video.